In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin something to Pinterest. First, open your browser and search for Pinterest. In the address bar at the top, type the word Pinterest and then confirm the search. You should see results that include the official Pinterest website near the top. The official result usually shows the Pinterest logo, a white letter P on a red circle. Taking a second to confirm that logo helps you avoid lookalike sites that can be confusing later. Once you see that result, you are ready for the next step. Now click the correct link and sign in. Click or tap the Pinterest result that leads to the main Pinterest homepage. When the page loads, look for the login button near the top right area. Click it, then enter the email address and password connected to your Pinterest account. After you submit your details, the main Pinterest feed will appear, filled with images called pins. A quick way to confirm you are signed in is to look for your profile picture or initial in the top corner. If you see your profile, you are in the right account. Next, hover over or tap the image you like. Scroll through the feed until you see something that catches your eye. On a computer, move your mouse over the image without clicking. On a phone or tablet, gently tap the image once to bring up more options. When you do this, you should see a small menu or overlay appear on the image, often including a save option and sometimes a board name. Beginners sometimes double tap and accidentally open the website behind the pin, so use a single tap if you only want the save options to appear. With that ready, choose a specific board from the drop-down menu. Look for a small drop-down area near the Save button on the pin. It might already show the name of one of your boards, such as something you used recently. Click or tap that drop-down to open a list of all your boards. Then scroll if needed and select the board that best matches this pin, for example, recipes, home office, or travel ideas. Choosing a clear board now helps you quickly find this pin later, since Pinterest organizes pins by the board you choose here. After you select the board, the drop-down will update to show that board name. Finally, click or tap the red Save button. Once you press Save, Pinterest adds that image to the board you just chose. A short confirmation message usually appears near the bottom or top of the screen, showing that the pin was saved and naming the board. If you open that board in your account, you will now see the new pin sitting alongside your other saved ideas, ready to use or share anytime. You have just signed into Pinterest, picked an image you like, and saved it to a specific board using the red Save button. If this helped you get your first pin onto Pinterest, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick how-tos.